Hello, friends! Do you know what we can do? Let's learn about 30 amazing actions. Run, jump, and more.
Run! R-U-N! Run fast! J-U-M-P! Jump up high!
I can walk. I can walk. W-A-L-K. Walk slowly. I can fly. Fly like a bird.
I can clap. C-L-A-P. Clap my hands.
I can crawl. C-R-A-W-L. Crawl on the ground.
I can sit. S-I-T. Sit down now.
I can stand. S-T-A-N-D.
Stand up tall.
I can kick. K-I-C-K. Kick the ball.
I can spin. S-P-I-N. Spin around fast.
I can skip. S-K-I-P. Skip and hop.
I can wash my hands. W-A-S-H. Wash them clean.
Brush. I can brush my teeth. B-R-U-S-H. Brush, brush, brush. I can sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep tight.
I can read. I can read. R-E-A-D.
I can write. W-R-I-T-E. Write my name.
I can draw. I can draw. Draw a sun.
I can look.
L-O-K.
Look far away. I can share. S-H-R-E. Share my toys.
I can listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen.
I can give. G-I-V-E. Give a present.
I can take. T-A-K-E. Take the gift.
That was so much fun. We learned 30 new actions. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.